one of the questions I know a lot of you have is, why do I need to work with an attorney to do my estate plan? There's online services, there are paralegals, there's other ways to put together an estate plan. And I guess what I would say, the big advantage of working with an attorney is the legal advice side. So part of my process in working with clients is to explain a lot of the different tax concepts, real estate concepts, debts, how debts work when someone dies, how assets are collected when someone passes away. And the thing I hear over and over again from clients is, I didn't know that. I had no idea that's how it worked. Oftentimes these are very sophisticated clients who are CPAs or finance people working at companies, and so you would think they would know, but the reality is we're talking about death. It's something people experience only once in their life, so there's not a whole lot of reason to know this stuff unless you're an estate attorney. So that's a generalization to mention that, but a very specific example of somebody who decided to work with me was a widow whose husband had passed away. And in her case, the home that they owned together went to her through joint tenancy. There was no estate plan. She was not able to afford to stay in the home because she didn't have the funds to do that. So she sold the home, got a very good profit from the home sale, and she took some of those proceeds to invest for retirement, and the rest she purchased a mobile home. So you would think, simple situation, widow with a mobile home, why does this person need to work with an attorney? Fortunately, she did decide to work with me, and what we discovered together is that after her husband had died and she sold the home, her tax person had made an error in terms of how the taxes were done. And so fortunately, the deadline had not expired to do amended return for her, and the end result is that she was able to get a $65,000 refund on her federal and California taxes. So wonderful result. I felt great about it, but it's something that anybody can benefit from, not necessarily as dramatically as her situation, but knowledge is power, as they say, and that's really what an attorney can bring to the table, is the knowledge of how all of these laws work, and more specifically how they apply to your situation and how they may be a benefit to you.